Okay, our truck has arrived. I have begun, as you can see. We'll go on the outside so you can see better a little bit. And the second truck should be arriving here very soon. Nice and level our footings. Tomorrow we'll be setting up our forms. Come back here a little bit. And it's coming through the tube. In there. And it's coming over here. Alright. And for a while we will be done. Okay, our second truck has arrived, and we're almost finished with our pour. Okay, as you can see. We have begun setting our dowels and also our keyway. I'll try to zoom in there so you guys can see it. Okay, all the way around our dowels, and we're trying to finish here. Finishing pour our great beam here. Alright? I'll see you at the end. I'll wrap this video up. Okay. We are finally done here. The pump truck is cleaning. Our great beams has been poured. Setting our dowels in on one side. I try to go across the other side. And finishing our keyway. Our keyway gets used to lock a foundation to place. Alright, this is it. This is Silvio with High Rise Industries. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for phase 3 of this project. We're putting up the foundation wall. Give us a call. Can be reached at 516-250-2515. Or you can look us on the web at highriseindustries.com. Thank you.